In today's video, I'm going to show you how to design and format messages in Slack so your communication is clear, professional, and easy to read. Whether you're sending quick updates, detailed instructions, or team announcements, proper formatting in Slack can make a huge difference. If you're new to Slack or you've been using it for a while but never explored message formatting, this video is for you. Before we jump in, make sure to hit the like button if this helps you out and subscribe to the channel for more easy software tutorials like this. Alright, let's get started. First, open Slack and navigate to the channel or space where you want to send your message. This could be a team channel, a project channel, or even a direct message. Once you're inside the channel, look at the message box at the bottom of the screen. This is where all your messages are typed and sent. On the left side of the message box, you'll notice a small formatting icon. This icon opens Slack's built-in text formatting options. Go ahead and click on the formatting icon in the message box. When you click it, Slack will expand the message editor and show you a toolbar with different formatting tools. These tools allow you to visually format your message without needing to remember keyboard shortcuts or markdown commands. This is especially helpful if you want quick formatting with just a few clicks. Now, type in any text of your choice into the message box. This can be something simple like a greeting, an update, or a longer message explaining a task. For example, you might type something like, "Hi team, here is today's update." Once the text is typed, you can start customizing how it looks. Next, select the text you want to format. You can click and drag your mouse over a specific word or sentence, such as the word "hi," to highlight it. With the text selected, look back at the formatting toolbar above the message box. This is where the real magic happens. From the toolbar, you can apply different formatting styles. You can make text bold to emphasize important points, italicize text for subtle emphasis, or underline text to draw attention. You can also create numbered lists for step-by-step instructions, bullet points for summaries, and block quotes for highlighting keynotes or feedback. If you're sharing code snippets or technical information, you can use the code formatting option so the text stands out clearly and is easier to read. Slack also allows you to combine formatting styles. For example, you can bold and italicize text at the same time, or create lists with bold headings. This makes your messages more structured and much easier for teammates to scan quickly, especially in busy channels with lots of conversations happening at once. Once you're happy with how your message looks, review it quickly to make sure everything is clear and well formatted. When you're ready, press Enter to send the message. Your formatted message will now appear in the channel exactly as you designed it, making it more readable and professional for everyone. And that's all there is to designing and formatting messages in Slack. With just a few clicks, you can turn plain text into clear, organized, and visually appealing messages that your team will appreciate. If this video helped you, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for more Slack tips and software how-to guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.